I am gonna be killing every boss in the second sea. What is happening, bro? My internet is super bad, guys. I'm sorry. My internet takes like 10 years, but it takes 10 years! Bro, can this stupid quest giver? Oh my gosh, guys. I think I have to log off Roblox and then have to always come back again. I'm sorry, guys. I had to delay because of my stupid internet. Well, I hate my internet so freaking much. I hate it more than anything. I want you to get a win by win. Maybe, just maybe Diamond will be there. And I can kill him. Oh, I just realized that you can see the record thingy up there. Oh, nah, man. I don't know how some YouTubers do it. And I'm not gonna use my face a lot now because I just don't want to. We have to server hop because we're killing every boss in the second sea. The server is full. What the hell, man? Bro, server's full again? I'm gonna be Marines. And guys, remember this. Player kills don't count. And if I even die 3 times on the bosses, yeah. I have to get 2.5 million in a day. And if I don't, it's basically, I have to email Roblox who never give me my IME account back. Which is my old account that I really wanted back. And I do not know the password of it. So Roblox, if you're watching this, just please just tell me the password of it. Oh my gosh, man. I have to server hop again. I am so sorry for the delay. Still this stupid internet. Okay, yep. This is what they want to do, huh? This is what they want to do. Okay. Oh my gosh, man. What the hell, man? What did I do? What did I do, man? Also, we do have to get the quest because we can make that money. Maybe next time I'll show you guys where every chest is in the second sea that I probably know. Because I don't know almost all the chests, but I do know a lot of them. A lot of them are popular, a lot of them aren't. Oh my gosh, man. You know what? Skip this, man. I'm just gonna go kill to Jeremy. Or we kill Don Swan first. You know what? I'm gonna go kill Don Swan first, guys. And if I even die 3 times, I have to get 2.5 million on pirates and get killed by my friends. Give him bounty. And I do not want to do that. Like, I actually need my bounty. Take the sticky pellet. Also, tell me if I should get. Oh my, bro! I already had the swan glasses, and this guy's killing me. Man, I am getting so raging. I am gonna rage out, man. Why am I saying man like British? I don't even know. Bro, my internet. If my internet breaks one more time, I'm gonna be so freaking mad. And I just wasted all my luck on the stupid swan glasses, bruh. I already had those since like the great century. Before they even was math, which was like 2 months ago. I got math like 2 months ago. Okay, well, this Kitsune nerd. Oh my god, man. This is the reason I hate bounty hunters. Wait a second. I have 2.4 million bounty now. This isn't good. This is not good. If I get 2.5 million bounty, I'm gonna get hunted like crazy, bro. It's not 200. It's level 1. Vegeta, you were dead. I'm sorry, or maybe you're on the Marines team, but wait a second. Where are you, Vegeta? Oh, you're already dead. Nah, man. I'm skipping this boss because of me being broke. Like, I'm actually broke, guys. I will actually show you after I get through hot and cold. Literally. Like, if I even try and get late, if I even try and look, I don't even have Robux. I spent almost 0 Robux on this game. Except from the rocket fruit that I bought. Don't question about that. Now it's time for the smoke animal to die. Die, bro. Wait, is he a marine? I don't even care, man. I'm killing whatever I see. Yup, easy. Light work. Wait a second. Somebody's carrying raids for free? Me. I'll bet, mate. This just changed from a video. This is changed from an awakening video to a freaking raid video. I mean, my lifer is almost awakened, chat, and I have like 4,000 fragments. So the next raid I do is perfect. I think this is the code because I haven't played this game in so long. A lot. Like, yup, I'm telling light. Man, he's paying too? I don't think people would do this because I already know he's gonna leave. I'm equipping the dragon thing. Well, imagine he just changed into the. He's already beautiful. What the hell? He's actually doing light rain. What the heck, man? While they're doing that, I'm just gonna kill them with my slingshot. Slingshot, slingshot man, slingshot man, slingshot man. Boom! Slingshot man, slingshot man, slingshot man, slingshot man. Yeah! I am so lucky to find this person who is literally willing to carry me in a raid. Oh guys, I gotta go, man. And I have school in like, oh yeah, I forgot, in like 50 minutes. So I'll see you tomorrow.